Hey everyone, happy Thursday. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm Waller's Wallet, where I teach you about credit cards, points, miles, cashback, and show you how to use it to travel for less. And today we're going to be taking a look on how you can negotiate a better price and save yourself more money when it comes to your Airbnb. Now, I am a big fan of Airbnb, and personally this is my first choice, especially when I'm traveling internationally. I can rent out an entire home or apartment for the same cost or less than the actual cost of a regular cookie cutter hotel room. Many of the Airbnbs I stay at have a washing machine and they have a full kitchen, which means not only can I cook meals at home, it means I can do laundry while I'm traveling, so I can actually pack less. So a few tips I have when searching Airbnbs. When you're searching your destination, look for a few Airbnbs you would feel comfortable staying at. I personally look at individuals who are superhosts or individuals who have a lot of positive reviews. I'll no longer look at individuals who are a new listing with Airbnbs, and that's because I've been burnt in the past with individuals who are a new Airbnb listing. Hopefully you found a few Airbnbs that meet your expectations and you'd feel comfortable staying in. Now at this point is when we begin to look to lower our price even more than the listed price. Unlike hotels, the price listed for your Airbnb is not necessarily the price you're actually going to pay. On top of that, there are even ways to save yourself even more money, especially after you negotiate your price. Now keep in mind, we can negotiate with Airbnb hosts, but we need to do so carefully. You don't want to make an offer that's too low to the host because they're not going to even consider your offer, nor will they make a rebuttal. On top of that, you're going to have some Airbnb hosts that just won't negotiate at all. So here are a few tips I have to increase your success when negotiating. So how do we ask the host for a discount? First, you're not going to select request to book. If you select this does not give you the option to negotiate a price. What you're going to do instead is you're going to scroll towards the bottom and you're going to select contact the host. When you message the host, you should give the host a couple details about your stay. Let them know who you're going with, maybe this is a special occasion, even add a reason why you chose their Airbnb. It might not always work, but that personal touch definitely can help. And the message to the host is where you're going to request a discount. You can let the Airbnb host know your overall budget and see if they can accommodate your budget. You can recommend a price you're willing to pay for that Airbnb, or you can request the host give you a special price or even a percentage off on your total. I send out the same request to the Airbnbs I'm interested in staying at, and I wait for the host to respond. I typically request a discount of some sort, but I leave it to the host to decide what that discount will be. If an Airbnb host really wants me to stay at that Airbnb, they're going to give me their best offer because there's a lot of competition in the Airbnb market. In my experience, many Airbnb hosts have given me a discount close to or equal to the weekly percentage off when I stay between 5 and 6 nights at that particular Airbnb. I've even had hosts give me discounts when I've stayed 1 to 2 nights at their Airbnb. After you receive your special offer from the Airbnb host, you might be ready to check out, but don't do that yet because we can save even more money. First, we're going to look at shopping portals for Airbnb. Delta partners with Airbnb to where you'll earn Delta miles for your Airbnb stays. You'll earn 1 Delta mile for every dollar you spend on Airbnb, and occasionally there are promotions where you'll earn up to 3 miles per dollar on your Airbnb stays. This might not seem like a lot, but the miles can really add up depending on how much you spend and how frequently you stay at Airbnb. You can use gift cards to pay for your Airbnb stay. You can buy Airbnb gift cards at stores that sell third-party gift cards. So if you use a credit card that has a bonus category at that store, you'll earn extra points or miles for purchasing that Airbnb gift card. If you're patient, Amazon occasionally has a deal where you'll spend 1 American Express point, but you'll receive $25 to $30 off your overall purchase when you spend so much. You can use this on third-party gift cards, so essentially you'd be saving 50% when you purchase Airbnb gift cards. Lastly, I just recently noticed you can redeem your Discover Cash for Airbnb gift cards. When you redeem your Discover Cash for Airbnb gift cards, you receive roughly 11% more in value. So redeeming $90 in Discover Cash will give you a $100 Airbnb gift card. Stacking these deals are going to look something like this. You're going to negotiate a better Airbnb price with your Airbnb host. You're going to go to the Delta Airbnb portal to earn Delta miles for your Airbnb stay. Then you're going to use the gift card you purchased or redeemed your rewards for to make that purchase on Airbnb. Not only is this going to save you money, this is also going to earn you miles towards a future flight. So to sum it up, Airbnb is a great option for someone not looking to stay in a cookie cutter hotel. You can request a discount from Airbnb hosts, and you can stack that discount with other offers to earn yourself extra miles and save yourself more money. So tell me, how do you save money on your Airbnb stays? Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in today. Remember, over the next couple weeks, I'll be posting videos every Monday and Thursday. So if you like learning about credit cards, points, miles, cashback, or just flat out traveling for less, consider hitting that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you on Monday. Safe travels and take care.